Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Wi-Fi booster not working. 1. Check power connection. Ensure the booster is plugged in and the power LED is on. 2. Restart the booster, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh its system. 3. Verify router connection. Ensure the booster is within range of your Virgin Media router and connected properly. 4. Check LED indicators. Confirm the booster's status lights indicate a proper connection to the router. Five. Reposition the booster. Place it halfway between the router and the dead zone for optimal coverage. 6. Reconnect devices. Disconnect and reconnect your devices to the booster's network. 7. Test with another device. Try connecting a different device to see if the issue is device-specific. 8. Reset the booster. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then set it up again. 9. Update firmware. Log into the booster's admin page to check for and install firmware updates. Thank you for watching.